Hi again. My name is Lucy Milligan Wall, and I'm a professional organizer living and working in San Francisco. I'm doing these videos with a cup of tea just to answer some questions that I get all the time when people find out that I'm a professional organizer. In my first video, which you can see linked down below, I answered the question that I get from a lot of prospective clients, which is, am I the worst you've ever seen? And so if you want to see that, check that out. But today I'm going to answer a question that usually comes phrased as a statement, but I know people want to know more. And this I sort of get when I'm talking to people in social situations or when I'm networking. And it is this: well, your house must be perfect. And I can see why you would think that, because if I practice what I preach, I'm teaching people to have very organized houses. I must also have a very organized house. I have to tell you, my house is not perfect. There is no such thing as perfect, okay? I live a real life. Things happen. I share my house with my husband and a dog. So no, my house is not perfect. Actually, I don't really like the current popular organizing aesthetic for myself. If you go on Pinterest and you search hashtag organizing inspiration or organizing porn, you're going to see a lot of really meticulously arranged setups with containers, possibly some remote order, some script font on the labels. That's a really popular aesthetic all over the country right now, and I don't actually like it for my personal life. So in my house, you're not going to see a lot of boxes. You're going to see no baskets that I can think of. I think the only things from the Container Store that I really use a lot are things like drawer dividers, and some of the Alpha mesh bins, like in my laundry room. So even if you have some picture in your head of what an organized space looks like, my house doesn't actually look like that. And the other thing is that the goal is not to be perfect, right? The goal of organizing, as I tell my clients and as I practice in my life, the goal of an organized home is to make it easy to get the stuff done that you hate, so that you can get onto the stuff that you love. Because we all want to be spending more of our precious time and energy on relationships with the people we love, doing the activities that energize and inspire us, and organizing makes it easy to do the rest of the stuff so you can get on with the good stuff. And with that in mind, sort of the goal that I have for my house and the goal that I want for my clients is to be guest ready within about 10 minutes. So you run around, straighten a few things, pick a few things up, and you're pretty much ready to rock and roll. So I don't go for perfection. I don't think perfection is necessary. My version of organized doesn't really look like what you might be thinking of as really organized, but I'm within about 10 minutes of letting you through my front door at any given time, which makes living a whole lot more relaxing. So that's the story on what my home looks like. I'm thinking about doing a possible video home tour. If you would be interested in that, leave a thumbs up or give me a comment down below, and I can see if I can get on that. Warning, it's going to be in my iPhone, so it's going to be a little sketchy, but we'll see what we can do. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, please share with your friends because it helps to get more eyeballs, as you all know. And thank you so much for watching. I will be back with another frequently asked question in a couple of weeks. Bye.